Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to be doing a challenge of 30 days of videos for YouTube. Now, today we're going to talk about my number one money earner. It's Prizerebel. The link for this will be down in the description. Please join. You do get a bonus if you join my team. Also, you will be on my team, so I can help you directly. Just comment your problems below and I can answer those for you. So we're going to do a overview of Prizerebel and what you can do to earn money and how you can earn money daily. So right here, let's start from the beginning. You're going to start at bronze, then silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay, they each have referral bonuses. They don't get automatic prize processing till gold. You do get a special bonus at the beginning of the month, 1, 2, or 3. Once you hit gold, you get a prize discount, which I'll get in more into in a little while. So you do want to try to get to gold level so you're automatic prize processed if you need the money now and within like 5 minutes. So I have 181 points that equals to $1.81. Okay. You can do your daily surveys for 75 cents. Dimana for 70 cents. Your surveys, Peanut Labs. There's so much to do here, guys. Scroll down. You got a daily challenge. Let me get rid of this. You have a daily challenge. If you reach 144 points today, they give you 5 cents. If you do that for 5 days, you earn 25 cents. The latest raffle is a $10 Amazon gift card. My reward goal is always set for $5 in PayPal. That's what I like to try to reach every day. I have $3.19 or 319 more points till I reach that goal. Earn more points. You can do videos or blog posts and promote just like I'm doing here. Here's your referral link. People get a bonus. And you can scroll down here. There's a lot of different things to do. There's Opinion World, Your Surveys, Peanut Labs, Daily Gold, Market Cube to Luna, Intivate, Say So Rewards, Pro Surveys. Okay. You can do surveys, offer walls, and videos. I do all of them. Okay. Not every day. I'm not on here every day. You have Peanut Labs, you have AdGate, Toro, AdGym, Polefish, AT Studios, Point Click Track, Ascend, and Revenue Universe. I like AdGate. I like Toro. I like Revenue Universe. Those are the ones I use. Let's see. I always switch this to most popular, but I always go no credit card because I don't want to spend any money. Okay. So we are looking to buy homes in your area for cash. Want to sell? Start here. Okay. If you complete the entire form, you get 47 points. If you're looking for auto insurance, if I can talk, they'll give you 11 cents. Acorns, 3 DIY remedies to relieve psoriasis itch. Complete registration to the end page and view the remedies. You will receive your points within 5 minutes. You get 28 cents for that. Why not? Are you someone you love suffering from heart failure? Click the banner, complete registration. You'll receive your points within 5 minutes, 16 points. So guys, this is very easy. You just scroll through here. Not every offer will credit. That's just how these sites are. Let me give you a disclaimer before you get all excited because some of these free recipe book, okay? Wait, I just saw it. Free recipe book. Sign up for Daily Break, you get 9 cents. You play Blade and Soul now for free, and you get 23 points. There's free recipe book right here. $1,000 giveaway free recipe book. My setup with valid information. Complete the survey. Get 35 cents. It's what I would recommend is doing an offer, clearing your cookies and your cache. If you don't know how to do it, just Google it, whatever browser you're using. I am using Google Chrome, so I would go to clear website browsing data under Chrome, and it will direct you to that. I don't know about any other website. I don't know how to do it on Safari or Firefox because I don't use those. Their rewards, there are a ton of rewards, guys. If you need money, this is definitely the site to do it. If you're an Amazon lover, you can go from 1 to 3 rewards, $1 to $5 rewards, excuse me. You can get a $2 Amazon, a $2 Dunkin' Donut, $5 Amazon, $10, a $5 Starbucks, a $5 prepaid. If you think about it, you can get a free coffee every day and not have to pay for it if you use this site. Health and beauty, house and home, food and beverage, grocery, department stores, electronics, gas and auto, music and entertainment, sports and outdoors, pets, travel. If you have pets, if you like to travel, if you're a gamer, arts and crafts, books, household and tools, mobile communication. They also have online games, PayPal, which is what I do. PayPal, they have custom amount, $5, $10, $15, $20, $50, and $100. Okay. I love this site. My rewards history this year has not been great. I've been busy doing other things. Last year, I redeemed $60.26. This year, I have not claimed any. It's the 22nd of January. I do use multiple sites. My referral sets. Let me just show you guys because everybody's so skeptical and they say that your referrals win you all this money and you don't do any work. That's not necessarily true. This month, I only earned 29 cents from my referrals. Okay. I got 3 referrals, 39 cents. Total clicks, 53. People click, they don't sign up. Okay. I had 4 clicks, no signups. I had 2 clicks the 18th, 1 signed up. Okay. This one was a good day. The 8th, I got 21 points here from a referral and 7 points here. So it just depends. If you have referrals that do work on this site that need money, then you're going to get some money. If not, they just sign up and don't do anything. Okay. I work with my referrals. Make sure you're running your videos in a new window as well. Because you can't run them in the same window because they have to be showing. So I always do one of these, let them run, cash in my points. Okay. If I'm not at my computer, I still let my videos run because that's going to earn me money while I'm busy doing other things. And my computer's just sitting here anyway. So if you're using Chrome, you're going to right click on your Chrome icon and you're going to put new window. Okay. When you do that, you're going to go back to Prizerebel. Okay. It's going to be a new window and you're going to go to videos. And whatever you like to watch. Okay. 55 cents. So you're going to have to register for Hideout TV. I've already registered. I just have to log in. And you let this load. Now, you open up the previous window that you already opened up before, which would be this one. And then you can go and you can do surveys, you can do offers while your videos are running in the background. That's going to get you the most points, guys. You have to be dedicated and want to earn. Now, I'm going to be doing um I'm going to be doing videos every day. Um I want to keep on, you guys. I want to show you that this does work and you can earn with this. So I just want to give you a tour of Prizerebel. Like I said, if you have any other questions, please comment them below. No, you cannot contact me. But if you comment your questions below, I'll be happy to answer them for you or help you out in any way that I can to help you earn money for you and your family. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It does help the algorithm. Comment below. Comment the videos that you'd like to see to make money online. And I will be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell notification to be notified of new videos. Have a great day, everyone.